If you've ever wondered, where do I even start with investing? You're in the right place. Investing isn't just about stocks, charts, or complicated formulas. It's about building smart habits, understanding how money works, and learning how to make decisions with confidence. Whether you're just starting out or you've been in the game for a while, the right books can guide you every step of the way. In this guide, I'll walk you through some of the best books every investor should read. These aren't textbooks full of jargon. They're real, readable, and full of wisdom. I've grouped them so the learning flows naturally, from foundational principles to strategies, psychology, and advanced thinking. Start with the classics. Build your foundation. Let's begin with timeless lessons, the kind that never go out of style. 1. The Intelligent Investor. Benjamin Graham. This is the Bible of value investing. Graham teaches you how to protect yourself from big risks, how to think long-term, and how to stay calm when the market goes wild. He introduces key ideas like margin of safety and the difference between investing and speculating. If you want to build wealth slowly and wisely, start here. Even Warren Buffett calls it the best investing book ever written. Second, Security Analysis. Benjamin Graham and David Dodd. Think of this as the advanced version of the previous book. It's more technical and deep, aimed at those who want to dive into financial statements and company analysis. Not a light read, but a goldmine if you want to become a serious analyst or understand how big money managers look at stocks. It's the blueprint for deep, thoughtful investing. 3. Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits. Philip Fisher. Now, let's balance value with growth. Fisher explains how to look beyond numbers and evaluate a company's potential based on innovation, management quality, and competitive edge. He gives you 15 things to look for before investing, and they're as useful today as they were decades ago. This book shows how understanding a business can be just as powerful as crunching the numbers. Modern Strategies. Keep it simple, make it smart. With the foundation in place, let's move to modern investing approaches, stuff you can actually apply as a beginner. 4. A Random Walk Down Wall Street. Burton G. Malkiel. This book breaks down the idea that most people, and even many pros, can't consistently beat the market. Malkiel walks you through different strategies, busts myths, and explains why passive investing, like index funds, makes a lot of sense. It's packed with simple explanations of complex ideas. Perfect if you want to be smart without trying to outsmart the system. 5. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing. John C. Bogle. Bogle, the founder of Vanguard, makes investing sound easy, and he means it. His message? Keep costs low, stay invested, and let compounding do its thing. He's all about index funds and long-term thinking. This book is short, sharp, and incredibly practical. Ideal if you want clear steps, not just theory. 6. 1. Up on Wall Street. Peter Lynch. Peter Lynch shows how everyday people can spot great investments before the pros. He encourages you to look at what you already know, your favorite products, stores, or trends, and use that as a starting point. The book is packed with stories and tips, making it fun and easy to follow. If you've ever thought, hey, I liked this brand before it got popular, this book is for you. 7. The Essays of Warren Buffett. Edited by Lawrence Cunningham. Now, we take a step back and listen to the master himself. This collection of Buffett's writings is full of wisdom about investing, business, and life. It's not about quick wins. It's about thinking clearly, avoiding mistakes, and staying disciplined. Each essay reads like a conversation, making complex ideas feel approachable and real. Understanding behavior. Because money is emotional. Even the best strategy won't work if your emotions take over. These next books help you understand the why behind your decisions. 8. Thinking, Fast and Slow. Daniel Kahneman. Kahneman shows that our brains have two ways of thinking: fast and intuitive, or slow and logical. The problem? We often trust our gut even when it's wrong. This book explains the mental shortcuts and biases that can trip you up when making financial decisions. It's eye-opening and will forever change how you think, not just about investing, but about life. 9. Misbehaving. Richard Thaler. Thaler makes behavioral economics fun. He shows how humans are predictably irrational, especially with money. Through stories and studies, he explains how markets are affected by real human behavior, not just theories. You'll learn how habits, emotions, and social cues influence prices, bubbles, and crashes. It's smart, funny, and incredibly relevant.